Hi, it's Tom. Welcome back to my channel, Take Time to Travel. I finally put together another video, and it's the second one in my series. Ta-da! And it's about our trip to Tokyo. And we went in early part of February, and it was just sort of when the pandemic was getting started, so things hadn't really got going then. There was people wearing masks in Tokyo, but that you kind of expect that in Tokyo. Anyway, have a look at it, see what you think. We stayed at a hotel called the Hotel Celestine Ginza, and it actually was quite a nice hotel. Cost us about $300 Canadian per night, and I would recommend staying there. It's in a kind of a busy area in the Ginza area, and close to subway stations and lots of stores and restaurants. There's all kinds of restaurants around there. Pretty well everywhere in Tokyo, the stores and restaurants. So have a look, see what you think. Hope you like it. If you do, please like the video and subscribe. It certainly will help me out. Thanks, have a look. Okay, so we're at the Celestine Hotel in the Ginza area of Tokyo, and just gonna open our door here, pop in the card key, and on come the lights. It's a newer hotel, only been around for I think the last year or two. Not the biggest rooms, but quite nice. Good sized bed, looks like a queen size bed. There's like a fairly large TV. I don't know, that's probably about a 42-inch TV built in here. And looks like a coffee maker here. There's a safe inside here. We've already put some bags in here. In this door here, there's ironing board, also an iron. So looks like some slippers, and a full-length mirror on that door. And then back where we came in is the bathroom, and just open this up. Now here's one of those fancy toilets that they have in Japan. It's got all the controls here on the side. It looks like it's got power bidet here. You can even do the spray strength and the nozzle strength. And self-closing toilet. This is the shower and bathtub all in one, glass doors. We have used the shower, so it's got a nice rain head shower. Here is the vanity with looks like a marble sink top, hair dryer underneath, and all the accessories that they include. Couple of glasses, and looks like Bulgari is the name of the products that they give you. So quite nice big mirror in here, and I'll just give you a quick view of outside. This is one of the windows. There's two large windows here, full floor to ceiling windows, and you can't really see too much at night. Looks like the back end of a bunch of buildings and that, but we're on the 9th floor here, so we do have a little bit of a view. And also we got, when we checked in, a couple of free drink tickets, and it's for their, it looks like Ginza Casita Bar, which is up on the 14th floor. So we're just gonna head up there now and try that out, and we each get a drink for free. And it cost us about $300 Canadian for the night, so not a bad price for Tokyo. Anyway, lots of built-in cupboards here, all very nice, dark wood grain, and very well fitted out. So if you're looking for a place to stay, this is in the Ginza area of Tokyo, and we're just getting here, so we haven't spent the night, but it looks like it's going to be quite nice. Okay, so we're on the 14th floor now, just going to have our free drink. This is the Celestine Ginza own Casita restaurant. Got breakfast, Japanese breakfast, American breakfast, and express breakfast. Hi. These guys. Oh yeah. So we're sitting at the window here, a couple of seats at a sort of a little bar, and You can see the sky tree in the distance. So that was the Hotel Celestine Ginza in Tokyo. Great hotel. I would recommend it. We stayed there for about 4 nights and really enjoyed it. Sort of a higher end area to stay in. Good size hotel room, easy transportation nearby, and not too far in walking distance to a lot of things you can get to. So give it a try and see what you think. I will have some more videos coming up shortly as soon as I get those ones edited about my trip and travels around Tokyo, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. That would be amazing if you could like the video and subscribe. Catch you next time.